Hello. In this video, we're going to be finding the area of a triangle using matrices. So if a triangle has these three coordinate points, x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, we can calculate the area of the triangle using plus or minus 1/2 the determinant of the matrix, where the top row is x1, y1, and the third element is 1. So basically you're entering the coordinates going down columns 1 and 2, and then the third column is a 1, and that's constant every time. Now the reason we have a plus or minus is because sometimes the determinant, when it pops out, is negative, and we need to make sure that we have a positive result. So whatever the determinant pops out, we take 1/2 times that, and then we make sure it is a positive value. So in our example, we want to find the area of a triangle with the following coordinates: 4, -1, 6, 3, and -4, 5. So we're going to do the determinant. So 1/2 of, and I'll set up the matrix, we go 4, -1, 1, 6, 3, 1, -4, 5, 1. And remember, to do the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, we have plus or minus 1/2 times. We take the 4 times the determinant of the bottom right 2 by 2, so 3 times 1 minus 5 times 1, minus. Then we take the middle number, -1, times the 2 by 2 matrix 6, 1 and -4, 1. So 6 times 1 minus 1 times -4 plus, and then the last top row number is a 1, and we multiply that by the other 2 by 2 in the bottom left. So 6 times 5 minus 3 times 4. 3 times 4. There we are. And then we just do an evaluation of this. So plus or minus 1/2. We have 4 multiplied by 3 times 1 is 3, 5 times 1 is 5, so that becomes -2. The minus negative becomes plus 1 times 6 times 1 is 6, minus 1 times -4 becomes +4, so we get a 10, plus 1 times 6 times 5 is 30, minus 3 times 4 is 12, 30 minus 12 is 18. So we have plus or minus 1/2 times -8 plus 10 plus 18. So I'm going to move my work over here now, plus or minus 1/2. -8 plus 10 is 2. 2 plus 18 makes 20. Some nice easy calculations here. When we do half of 20, we get 10. And we just want to make sure it's positive, and sure enough, it is. So the area of this triangle is 10 units squared. And so that's a brief crash course on how you use matrices to find the area of a triangle. For now, we're done.